Welcome back now, 622. You know, in tough times, people often turn to payday loans thinking they are a quick fix, but they can actually get you into more trouble. Joining us now to help steer you away from financial distress is Sherry Sword with the Better Business Bureau. Sherry, good morning. Welcome in.
Good morning.
And let's first start with payday loans. How big of an industry is this now?
Well, more than 19 million people nationwide think the answer to their financial binds are payday loans. And lenders collect over $7 billion in interest and fees annually. Payday loans are basically short-term, high-cost loans made in exchange for a commitment to repayment from the person's next paycheck. Typically, the lenders require borrowers to turn over post-dated checks to pay principal, interest, and fees. And these lenders target people who have little or no savings and who are basically living paycheck to paycheck.
Which is a ton of people. All right, now what kind of regulation guides this industry and kind of helps keep people from, drowning in payday loan debt?
Well, Ohio's Short-Term Loan Act limits the interest rate on payday loans to 28%. Before the act, payday loans charged upward of 300% in interest and fees. Now there's a limit of 4 loans in a year and 1 outstanding loan at a time. And today a borrower can only borrow up to $500 per loan. The law also says no more than 2 loans can be made to a borrower in 90 days. Before all the act, borrowers took out an average of 8 loans a year at $375 a loan. That adds up pretty quick.
No doubt. What's some of the alternatives that folks can use?
Well, your Better Business Bureau suggests you consider a budget. Subtract your expenses from your income to determine it. Work with your budget until you have a positive amount remaining. Pay yourself first. Set aside a little each month into a savings account. Consider a loan from your financial institution, and you can also turn to family and friends. Look for extra work. Taking on a second or third job could help with expenses. Call your creditors and ask for more time to pay bills. You could also contact a consumer credit counseling service to help you create a debt repayment plan.
Now, what advice can you give to someone who's up against the wall and they feel that their only option is maybe utilizing one of those payday loans?
Right. If you do need to take out a payday loan, only take out as much as you can afford to pay back with that next paycheck. Remember, before signing on the dotted line, to check out the lender with your Better Business Bureau, and our contact information will be on your screen.
All right, Sherry, we do thank you, and we have a link to the Better Business Bureau for more information at WDTN.com. Thanks, Sherry.
Absolutely.